What's up, guys? Emily here with Emlovz. I am having an idea that I wanted to run by you guys. Back 10 years ago, I did a 100-date experiment and found love, figured out romantic relationships, been super happy ever since romantically. But I'm noticing since COVID, and also, being a full-time entrepreneur, that I don't see a lot of people. A lot of my friends who are living in San Francisco moved away. A lot of the way that we connected socially no longer exists. I also stopped drinking during COVID. So all of the social events and gatherings that I would go to when I was drinking, I no longer go to. And it's leaving me feeling pretty lonely in my platonic relationships. So my romantic relationship is great, but platonically, I'm definitely feeling alone, a little bit lonely. And I heard that this is an epidemic that's happening not just to me, but to a lot of people right now. A lot because of COVID and all the changes that have happened. So here's my idea. I want to know what you guys think about this. But what if I did not a 100-date experiment necessarily, but what if I did a little experiment where maybe I went on 20 friend dates using Bumble BFF and documented the experience and kind of started to look at platonic relationships as an adult in a different way. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in watching, and if you have any ideas for me in the comments below.